Hi, it's Buzz again, and here are more fast facts about cicadas. Did you know that a cicada's wings repel water? And not only that, they're also antibacterial. Did you know that cicadas are waiting for a specific temperature to come out of the ground? That's right, cicadas are waiting for the ground to warm up to 64 degrees Fahrenheit. That may not seem very warm to a human, but it's the perfect temperature for a cicada. Did you know that cicadas are actually like tiny violins? That's right. Their bodies have an empty space which allows them to resonate just like a musical instrument. And that's what allows them to make that distinctive sound. Cicadas!